Want to write neatly in Samsung Note without blocking the screen with your hand, or want easier handwriting input using your S Pen or even your finger? Let me show you how to use the Easy Writing Pad on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature lets you write at the bottom of the screen while your text appears at the top inside a movable preview box. To do so, open Samsung Note app, then open any note or create a new one. Swipe through the bottom toolbar to find the Easy Writing Pad icon, and then tap it. A writing pad will appear at the bottom, and a movable box will appear at the top, showing whatever you write. Now, write anything inside the bottom pad using your S Pen or your finger. As the example, let's use S Pen. As you write, your text appear neatly inside the preview box. You can move this box by dragging it with your S Pen or finger. Or if you prefer more precise control, use the arrow icons above the writing pad. The left and right arrows move the box sideways, and the enter icon moves it to the next line. Just keep writing and the note will stay clean and organized while your hands stay comfortably at the bottom. And that's how to use the Easy Writing Pad in Samsung Note on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It keeps your writing area clean and gives you full control of where your text goes. It's super helpful when writing long notes or when you need more accuracy. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.